What is up, guys? How would you like to learn how to make $500 a week selling Facebook ads to local businesses? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, and you can do it for little to no investment starting today. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to make $500 a week selling Facebook ads to local businesses. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, but before we get started, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, digital internet marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that little notification bell to get notified for these videos. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, post them all down below and I will reply. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, if you are interested in making passive income, $100 to $300 every single day, hit the link in the top of the description for my #1 recommended Make Money Online program, and click the link and I'll send you some information about that. All right, guys, so let's get on with today's video on how to make $500 a week selling Facebook ads to local businesses. So we're going to start over here with Google Maps. So I had just went in here. This is my location. I would recommend you go within like a 40-mile radius of where you live so you can actually drive to these locations if you need to. Now, this is going to be a business, guys. This is going to be your business. You're going to be selling ads to companies that are going to pay you $400 to $500 every single month. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to search. I have this up as an example. We could do restaurants. We could do salons, barbershops, chiropractors, dentists, electricians, plumbers, HVAC. The number, it goes on and on and on. Any kind of local business you could think of, body shops, whatever, look for them. And I'm going to show you exactly what we can do to find out if they are using Facebook ads. And if they aren't, then we can get them to start doing it and we can show them why it would be beneficial. All right. So first things first, we want to search. So I searched restaurants in my local area. All right. And we can just go down here and we can start looking at restaurants. I'm going to go to Joe's Cafe. Joe's Cafe has a website. All right. Their website, Joe's Cafe, Sterling, Virginia. Now, I know they're not doing Facebook ads. And how do I know this? Because I'm using this plugin for Chrome. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. You want to install the Google Chrome browser. I'm sure most people are using it because it's the best browser out there, in my opinion. But you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and download this Facebook Pixel Helper. All right. So what this does is this tells you if there's any Facebook pixels on a website. And what is a Facebook pixel? A Facebook pixel is what you put on your website if you're running ads to your website. So by doing this, we know that there aren't any ads on Joe's Cafe, because if there was an ad, it would show up right here. All right. So we'll go back to, let's go back to the result. Always screw this up. Let's go back to the results here. Let's just click on Cracker Barrel, for instance. Let's see if it'll come up with a pixel at all. Yeah, okay, so Cracker Barrel, it tells us right there there's 4 pixels on Cracker Barrel. So they're sending ads on Facebook with Cracker Barrel, okay? I would have been really shocked if they weren't. All right, so one thing we want to do is we don't want to go to big chains. We want to go to mom and pop shops like Joe's Cafe. We want to go to places like that because they're not actually, they don't have a huge corporate office behind them that can actually do this kind of stuff like a franchise can. All right, so one thing we're doing is we're looking for local shops, small shops, mom and pop shops, family-owned businesses, etc., that don't we're not looking for huge not looking for huge franchise type businesses. All right, so Cantina d'Italia. All right, no Facebook pixels. All right, so what does this tell us? This tells us these companies, they do not have any Facebook advertising. So what we're going to do is we see they have a Facebook page. We can go over here, contact us, and we can get on the phone with Joe's Cafe. Or we can just go in and actually see if we can talk to a manager at like open hours before they get busy and actually pitch what we're going to be talking about. Now let me go over here and tell you how you're going to be doing this in Facebook Ads Manager. So what you want to do is you want to create an ad manager. All right, so if you don't have a Facebook like page, go ahead and create one and create a ads manager. And it's very simple. When you log into Facebook, here, let me log into Facebook real quick, and I'll show you exactly where you go to do that. So you want to come over here to more, and you want to come all the way down at the bottom and hit Ads Manager. All right. So when you get to Ads Manager, you want to create, if you don't have one, it's going to ask you to create one. All right, so you can actually create as many ads managers as you want. I got those marketing and I got a personal account. I'm just using my personal account right here, but you can create as many as you want and just create one so you can start using it. All right, so once we're in our ads manager, we're going to create a campaign. All right, so we want to create a campaign. We want it to drive traffic, and we want to target this area. All right, so I'm targeting Reston, Virginia. All right, so we want to target a local area, and that can be done by, zip code of the address within here, or actually, let's get this zip code because I was searching Reston, but I clicked on Sterling, which is right outside of Reston, so it probably doesn't matter too much, but why not be perfect? I'll show you exactly what you do, all right? So what we want to do is we want to make sure we're in United States, of course, all right? Sterling, Virginia. This is going to actually pinpoint actually people in Sterling, Virginia. Now we could go, you know what, I want to get everybody in Herndon, Ashburn, and Sterling, which is all little cities wrapped around this little town, all right? But we're just going to target these. This is 59,000 people, very targeted, and it hits everybody, all right? So we're going to hit men and women between 1865 in this zip code. And we're going to do an ad for Joe's Cafe. And we're going to send that ad straight to their webpage, all right? So that is how we want to set up our ads manager, all right? And we're going to do this for, go ahead and pick out like 25 different uh, shops, all right? And one thing I want you guys to do is, if you've never done this before, all right, we can go over to here to Fiverr, Facebook ads, and we can search Facebook ads, all right? So Facebook ads, and you get all these different guys, right? So Facebook ads, I will run Facebook ads and Instagram ads starting at $25. So one thing you could do, say you never ran an ad before and you're not comfortable, all right? You want to get somebody to give you an ad, do it for you. Here it goes. One ad campaign, two ad sets for platform with 3 days of monitoring. $25. All right. So you could actually say, you know what? I will charge you $300 this month to do, or $400, how much it is, right? And maybe you want to do $400 and have him run a premium ad for you, and he'll monitor and everything. You charge him, you pay him $100, and you get $400 from the restaurant. So you're making $300 profit. All right. So you could do it that way as well, and maybe that's the best way to do it. That way you don't even have to think about it. You just start your account, and he'll use your ads manager account to do all this stuff. All right. So that is one way you can do outsource your Facebook ads to make money advertising to local businesses. So that's another angle you can take it if you don't want to do it yourself. All right. If you do it yourself, you can make that money. Now, if you want to learn, I am part of this course, right? It's not very much to get in and get access to this Marketers Club. There's many courses, but there's 2 courses for Facebook ads, which is very cool. And that is the first link down in the description. Just click it, get signed up, take the course. Very good stuff in there. And there's lots of courses all about affiliate, online, internet marketing for ads, and all kinds of stuff. All right. But again, guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and I hope my wish for you is that you go take massive action and you put this to work and you start making money selling Facebook ads to local businesses. All right, guys, again, if you want passive income, hit the link down below for my #1 recommended Make Money Online program. And also, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, hit the little notification bell, and give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And guys, if you have any questions, post them below and I will reply. Again, guys, peace out, and I will see you again on tomorrow's video.